ass fatter than the motherfucker. On the track with Lil Wayne, Mac, Main T Streets and Gutter Gutter. Yeah, got my nigga Young Richie right here and shit. We in the motherfucking studio, hitting motherfucking UVOs. We ain't turning no scripts, nigga, it's all fucking doobie dope. Yeah, it's all fucking groovy though. Turn the motherfucking blunt to a fucking doobie though. Yeah, niggas ain't fucking with me. Do this shit off the dome like a fucking stadium. Pull your shit back like an overlap stadium. Yeah, nigga, put it in your cranium. These niggas ain't fucking with it. What it is though. Hey, Blood Gang, bitch folk. We ain't folks over here, nigga. Red 5. Put it in your eyes, nigga. We dead alive. Yeah, it's real shit, real shit. Yeah, nigga, get with it, get with it. Yeah, deal with it, deal with it. Yeah, and I'm still kicking, still kicking off like it's fucking halftime. Yeah, we did this shit part-time, full-time, but you only do this shit no time. I got time on your ass like father time. Now I ain't father time, this is daughter time. This is our time, Red Ink can reach the time. Yeah, we ain't got no time to play, nigga. Guess what? We don't play games, motherfucker. We in this bitch like tampons. What you say? We in this bitch like tampons. Yeah, like Wayne say and Drake say. Hell yeah, fucking right, bitch. We don't play. Let's get it.
And as far as this game goes, we in this shit to the motherfucking field goal. And I ain't playing with you bitches. Look, we going in Red Ink and Kane. Nigga, play no damn games. Nigga, getting more money, getting more bitches, in new cars, hitting some switches. And I don't fucking play. Twist the damn flow now. Niggas in my face and I got the damn blow now. Ooh, don't play no game, bitch. I gotta get it. And the nigga so fresh. They call me Young Richie. Getting from the top and I don't fuck so many bitches. Coming in so fast, right? They call me Young Richie. Red Ink. We gotta do our damn thing. Get our shit on the map. Yeah, look. We finna get on the map. Get on the charts. Always stay on top of these motherfucking charts. Now these niggas hating on us. 5-star popping. Fuck them niggas. Look, we rocking. Gotta get it, bitch. Yeah, bitch, look, we rocking. Gotta do it clean. Playing no damn games. Hoes know I'm me when it comes to this rapping shit. Bitch is a dream. I don't play no damn games. Now you go ahead and scream. Look, Kane, Killer Kane. Got a new gat. Now Swedish and pop your ass right in your back. I don't like no bitch that motherfucking lack. So you come in here. Better do your damn job, bitch. You get lost after that. Coming in pack. Pack. Bring a backpack. Bitch, I'm coming back with 2 damn backs, and I'ma crack your back, stink ass batch. And the nigga don't stop it though. I'm finna go into the rest of this beat and don't play no damn games, then I guarantee I win. Every time I do it, have your bitches on my dick, man. Play no game, but you bitches know they call me Kane Killer. Can he do his thing? I fuck around and kill you, man. Quick, fast, and fucking hurry. Know I gotta get it, brother. Loving everything I do. Bitch, I'm on my grind. What the fuck you tryna do? Ooh. They call me Young Kane the Killer. Rhyming to the beat stop. Bitch, I'm the killer. When it comes to this shit, you better run, little swiller. Fit the dance whip, and I ain't playing no games. Bitch, I'm from the Minnesota State, Rochester, man. Keep 'em coming on the top, and I don't play no damn game. My flow is so damn crazy, I can switch it up, man. Back to attack. Motherfuckers already know, bitch, I'm bound to attack. Bang, 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 bang. Bitch, I don't be playing no game. Bitches all on my dick, swinging to pop you back in the swing. Gats, damn, bang. Flame souls and soul. Fuck around what you niggas say. Bitches 5-star for life, and I ain't playing with you niggas. What y'all niggas wanna do? Bitch, I don't be playing, but it's coming in. Had these bitches stuck on my dick like some glue.